Ever had to send out urgent messages to your various branches, but was afraid your messages would not get seen by your staff? Or have you ever blasted a message to your various departments through WhatsApp or Telegram or even email and then received a whole string of acknowledged messages that just swarms your chat? With DayOne's message of the day function, you'll no longer have to experience that kind of pain. All you have to do is type your message, assign the message to the relevant branches, be it one or all of them, and create the message of the day. Now, immediately from your staff's perspective on their mobile phone, they'll receive a notification and they'll now be able to take a look at the message of the day that you've just sent out. The best part is, once they've seen the message, all they have to do is tap on it to acknowledge the message, and from your side on the managerial platform, you'll be able to see that your staff has indeed acknowledged the message with the tick by the side. Let's send another message of the day for fun. Assign the branch, and now all your staff has to do is they'll receive the notification, and now all they have to do is tap on it once and you'll see that it has been ticked. Let's send a final one for an urgent new recipe. Assign the branch once again, Suntec City. Now once that is done, your staff will receive the notification, tap on it, and immediately it'll be marked as acknowledged.